In the heart of ancient India, over 2,500 years ago, a spiritual awakening was about to unfold, an awakening that would change the course of history forever. This is the story of Buddhism and its remarkable journey. Our story begins with the birth of Siddhartha Gautama in the small kingdom of Kapilavastu. Legend says he was born miraculously to Queen Maya, who dreamt of a white elephant entering her womb, a sign of greatness to come. Raised as a prince, Siddhartha lived a sheltered life filled with wealth and pleasure, yet something deeper stirred within him. Despite his father's efforts to shield him, Siddhartha's heart longed for answers beyond the palace walls. One fateful day, Siddhartha ventured outside and saw the realities of life: old age, sickness, death, and the possibility of spiritual liberation. These encounters, known as the Four Sights, ignited a profound quest within him to understand the truth of existence. Determined to seek enlightenment, Siddhartha left behind his royal life, his wife, and his newborn son. This act, known as the Great Renunciation, marked the beginning of his journey as a seeker of truth. After years of rigorous ascetic practices, Siddhartha realized that neither indulgence nor extreme austerity held the answers. He chose the middle way, a path of balance. Under the Bodhi tree, he meditated deeply until, at last, enlightenment dawned. Siddhartha became the Buddha, the awakened one. The Buddha spent the rest of his life sharing his insights. His teachings, known as the Dharma, centered on the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path, offering a guide to overcome suffering and attain inner peace. From its humble beginnings in ancient India to its global presence today, Buddhism continues to inspire millions with its timeless message of compassion and wisdom. And it all began with one man's search for truth under the shade of a tree. Thank you for joining us on this journey through history. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories. See you in the next video.